Today's video is about trash. Trash? More about mistakes and how my favorite part about woodworking and art, craft, anything anyone does is it's never about not making mistakes, because you're always going to make mistakes. It's more about how you deal with those mistakes and what you decide to do about it. So many times a mistake or an error could become a design feature. It could become a new way of doing things. In this case, in my previous project, now it's time to make the concrete base, which, full disclosure, I needed to make 4 of these. I made 4 of these concrete discs. Some weren't perfectly flat, some had too many bubbles, and I didn't love the look of it for the project. But they were kind of getting in my way as I came back into the shop, and I was going to toss them out, and I thought, why don't I make something cool out of it? And so I came up with the idea of making a little plant table. And I'm going to challenge myself to make it out of the least amount of wood as possible. So the entire piece is going to be made out of one 10-inch wide by 20-inch long piece of white oak. It's going to be thin. I'm going to try out some new things. And let's do it. appreciate you spending your valuable time watching me make this. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe as I'll be looking to upload more regularly. I hope you learned something, and most importantly, I hope you feel inspired to go make whatever ideas the universe sends to you. See you next time.